Happy New Year! It's the first day of 2018. Ooh. Okay, well, it's the first day of February 2018. Hey, what's up, World Wide Web? Welcome back to the channel where we explore my mind and the world, and today, let's do something different. Hey, for Anton, right? Alright. Okay, so I put in the address, so just go to the address. Hello? Oh, right, this is my car. Alrighty. Okay, so my camera battery died. From my regular camera, this one, the battery died, so I'm just doing this all on my phone right now. So yeah, I wanted to do something a little different for the start of 2018, or at least my start of 2018 back here on YouTube in my Worldwide Wong channel. I want to experiment with shooting while skating and recording myself skating, you know, sort of like vlogging, but I don't know, it was kind of weird. There's this person beside me and they think it's weird that I'm vlogging, so I still feel kind of weird vlogging in public, which is weird because I was just like recording a whole bunch of stuff, but like if someone came up to me, I could have just been like, oh yeah, I'm just taking videos and pictures for Instagram. And it's strange because I used to be so good at like vlogging in public and so like confident with you know, talking to my camera in public, but now I feel less confident in doing that. But like I'll get there, you know. And so the reason I want to come at you guys sort of vlog style, day in the life vlog style, I don't know, with all that's going on in YouTube, you know, a lot of channels being hit with demonetization, namely you know, my channel is going to get the monetization struck from it. You know, it's getting pretty hard. I've been at this for a year. I've only gotten so much traction on this website. So I guess that means what I'm trying to say is that this video will be the last time that I complain like this. Haha, you thought I was gonna say something different, didn't you? Ha. No, I would totally be going more on this channel, slightly different content, or maybe better content. That's sort of subjective, but I want to do some like documentary style stuff. I'm gonna do a lot more, you know, exploring around my area. I did a little bit of exploring this right here. If you guys don't know, it's called Richmond Green. It's a big park in Richmond Hill, in the town where I live, in the geographical center of Richmond Hill, and it's yeah, it's got a skate trail that I was just skating along. Just a quick life update for you guys. I've been, you know, getting a little bit more traction on getting some clients and getting some jobs, and you know, that's really nice. And I gotta just figure out how to be patient at the same time, be really focused in working and doing what I'm doing, which can be very difficult sometimes, you know what I mean. But let me know if you guys want to see anything in particular for this year, 2018. Let me know down in the comments below. All my social media links are down in the description below: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. But that's all I have for you guys. Until next time, go explore something.